Good day guys, being here. Today we're going to model this very simple window with some patterns. Okay, so it's a parametric window, so you can change the size of the window and okay, so let's do it. So first we need to create a new family. So we're going to model it as a window family. So now go to elevation. So let's go to interior. So first thing, just let's drag this up so we have this center reference plane. So create a reference line here and then do a dimension. So this will be, let's create an offset parameter. So this is offset from the top, and we need to, so the first thing we need to change the opening. So this is the opening for the window. Okay, so now create a reference line and use the center and arc. So first, so this is the center of this arc, click, and then this is the starting point of this arc, and then finish it on this reference plane. So lock and then lock and create a radius. So this radius, so you will see equals this, and this is the width. So see. So now select this radius and let's just link this to width. Okay. So the next we need to do is we need to give this offset a formula. So this arc will stop at this point. Okay, so let me just, so this is how to get the formula. So this is the triangular shape. Okay, so from this, so this, because this is R and this is R as well, so this is R or W, this is W as well, and because this is half W, and then this one equals this one is W or R. So in this triangular shape, so in this one, if I draw another one here, it's 90 degree. This is W divided by 2. This is W, and then this is offset. So offset equals square root of W square minus square divided by 2 square equals square root 3 divided by 2 times W. Okay, so this is OF, is the offset. So now if we go to Revit and on the offset, we just type in SQRT, square root of 3 divided by 2 times W, which is width, and then click OK. So now you will see if I change the parameter. So for example, I change the width, the offset will change as well. Okay. So now we can select this arc, MM, mirror to the other side, create a radius for this arc, link it to width. And also it's better to just check the sketch dimension. So you'll find a blue color dimension, so which means there's some constraint, not it's not a constraint properly. So it's better just let's try to get rid of this 0. So let's try this first. So align this reference plane and with this endpoint of this arc. No, still there. So select this one. Yep. So we need to do something to this arc as well. So check the mark, center mark. So now align reference plane, the center mark lock. So okay, so there's no more. So now we can select this opening cut, edit, sketch, pick line, check this lock, pick the reference line, TR, trim, and then delete this one. All good. Finish. So now if you go to 3D view, you will see, let me just turn off the dimension. So you will see this is the shape of the opening. Okay, so the next step is we're going to model some pattern. Okay, some pattern, and I found some DWG file here, which is free. So actually, I'm not sure about the meaning behind all these patterns. So if I use them in the wrong place, not properly, please let me know. Okay, so they are DWG files. So this is one of them actually. So and you just need to tidy up. So delete everything you don't need and save it as a DWG file. So here I save it as a pattern2.dwg. So now go to the Revit file, and also I'm not going to create an extrusion here because it will make this boundary very heavy, very hard to adjust. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new family. So this family will be a generic model. Okay, so now go to the front view. Go to the front view. So I'm going to create an extrusion here. So create extrusion and go to insert. Click on import CAD and open this family and OK. So now you will see if you click finish, now it won't work because we still need to trim all these edges. So see these edge. So let's do it. So trim, split line SL, and let's do it all these. Okay, now we can trim TR. Okay, 25% finished. Oh, sorry. Yep, 25% finished. Then the top looks like it's mirrored, so we can just copy them. DM mirror them up. Okay, so now still some of them is just need to trim them as well. So okay, so 50% finish. Again, trim. Oops. And I'll delete this one and I'll select these DM in the mirror. So now I think that's it. That's one of the panels. So let's finish it and also change the panel thickness, maybe 10. And also you can give it a material, or you can create a material parameter if you want to. But for now, I'll just have this. Oops, where's my reference plans? Front, back. Oh, sorry, here. So let's move it. So move it to align to this reference plane, and also I'm going to move it down to reference level. Okay, so I want to make it bigger. because the window, I'm not sure about the window size. My window size, so let me just check this dimension. So DI, it's about 700. Yep. Maybe maybe I'll copy this one to here, another one to here. So 700. 3 of them will be about 21, 22. Yeah, that should be enough for some. If it's not big window, so I'll just have these 9 panel. Now I'm going to use join. So the join tool will remove the line between them. So you will see once I join them all together, and it becomes looks like a single panel. Okay, so what else here? Yep, I think that's okay. So this is a family only for the panel, the solid part of the panel. So the next step is we're going to load this one into the window family. So I'm going to load into here. So I'm going to place it so roughly in the middle of this. So you can still adjust it. So for example, I'll move it up by 5 mil so it's centered to the wall. So let's have a look. So it looks okay like this, but if you select the wall, you will see this solid part is actually hidden in the wall. So the next step, and also I'm going to move this up a little bit because I guess that the window will always have there will always be a seal height for the window, so maybe I'll just move it up to roughly 600 from the floor level. So this window can be changed to this width and maximum about this height. So if you need more, need the window to be bigger or higher, you just need to add more of this. So the next step is we're going to create a void to cut the solid part of the panel. So and the void will be a face-based family. Okay, so let's create it. So generic model, face-based, and okay. So because for the face-based family, you don't need to go to the front views. You can just do it in the floor plan. So let's do it. So reference line, same. So DI, and also this one, width, and also overall width. So I'm going to create a W for the width. So this one will be H height. This this one's height. Yes, this one. So oh sorry, this need to go up. This it will be the offset. So let's call it offset. And okay. The same. We're going to give the offset a parameter. So sqrt square root of 3 divided by 2 times width, which is W, and okay. So maybe we just move this up a little bit. Oh, sorry, not that one. Maybe reduce this size. Oh, sorry, I forgot to equal it. Yeah, that's better. So go up. And then I'll just drag the base. So this is a base for this face-based family. So let's just make it big enough to cover the whole panel. Okay, something like this. So now we need to create the reference line again. So same, use the center and arc. So start from this point here and then stop at this. Make sure it stop on this reference plane. maybe, yeah, let's maybe, sorry, let's adjust this a little bit. Oh, because we already have this, that's why. No, that's okay. So we already have the formula for this offset. So that's why when we create this reference line arc, it will stop exactly on that point. That's okay. So start from here and stop here. So, and then let's lock and create a radius and link this to the W. So select 8 mm mirror and create another radius and link it to width. So VV, double check the sketch dimension. The same, let's try to lock AL. One more, select this arc, check the center mark AL. All good. So now we need to create that void. So create void extrusion. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to drag a big rectangular shape, so roughly like this, and then pick line, check the lock. So how maybe we need to move this down a little bit. So pick the reference plane, reference line, reference plane, and another reference plane here. But I'm going to move this down a little bit for now. So okay, so and then pick line, pick this reference plane, trim. Oh, good. So don't worry too much about these sketch dimension on the external rectangular shape, as long as there's no sketch dimension on this shape. Okay, so now if I click and also let's just finish this void. Go to 3D view, have a look of this void. It's going up instead of going down, so we just need to change this. So for example, I'll make it 15 mil deep, because that's enough for the panel. So as long as it's deeper than the panel thickness. So now use cut the base, cut the void, and then that's it. So this is the void. So now we can load this into the family. Hang on, let me have a look into this window family, which is family 9. Okay, so load this into family 9. And then we are going to place the void. Okay, so currently I'm in 3D view. Yes, maybe it's easier to go to the interior, go to the elevation view. So create component. So what I'm going to do is I'll just pick the face of this panel. Okay. So, and also I'm going to roughly align to the reference plane, so I'll pick this point. Maybe I'll place it here. Okay, so now select this void and move it down to here. Okay, so now let's have a look. So go to 3D view. So you will see this void, the shape of the void currently is not matching the window size. And also it looks like, so if I HH the wall, we need to increase the size of this void to cover that part of the panel. That's okay. So first let's link the parameter to, so select this void, so this one, okay, edit type. So we need to link the parameter. So H, let's link it to height. OFS, link it to OFS. W, link to width, and click OK. Apply. So now you will see it matches the size of the window. Then we just need to go edit this family. So we just need to, oh sorry, I clicked on the wrong one. Sorry, go back. go back to the window family. So select this void. Okay, so edit family, and then edit this void, edit extrusion, drag this down a little bit, and then finish, load it back into the window family and lock. And then that's it. So if we HR, you will see this is it. So let's try it shade. So we can change the size. So for example, 750. Yeah, and 1800. Okay, so that's it. So this is, and of course, if you want to, you can add some frame to it. And also, just to let you know that sometimes when this void cut this panel, and if the edge of this void is very close to, so for example, this corner, and when it cut this panel, if it creates a very tiny little edge smaller than 1 millimeter, this family, it will break this family. So you can have a try of these with, but sometimes you will find it won't work. So for example here, see, when I change it to 944, it won't work. That's because some of the edge is too small and it won't work. But you can just try to use, see, if I change to 845, it works. Oh, sorry, 945, 943. See, it doesn't work. So you just need to have a test. So maybe if you a number you in, if the width, height you need, if they don't work, you just try to use a different number, maybe 1 millimeter bigger or 1 millimeter smaller. Okay, I think that's it. So this is a very simple shape. So it's one of it's probably the something like this one. Yeah, of course you can do these shape as well. It's just a little bit extra steps to constrain the shape, but maybe next time. Okay, maybe next time. So I will upload this family for you so you can have a look if you want to. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Okay, thank you. Bye.